In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Hello so you can access saved passwords in Google Chrome on your Windows computer. This is a quick and useful fix if Chrome is asking for biometric verification every time you try to view or fill a saved password, and you want to turn that off for easier access. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows and browser tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings page, where you can adjust privacy, passwords, autofill, and more. On the left side, or sometimes in the settings layout depending on your version of Chrome, look for autofill and passwords. Click that section to continue. Inside autofill and passwords, click Google Password Manager. This is the area where Chrome stores and manages your saved usernames and passwords. Here, you can view, edit, and control password-related security options tied to your Google account and browser settings. Once you're in Google Password Manager, look at the left sidebar and click Settings. This opens the Password Manager preferences, where Chrome keeps advanced options for how passwords are handled on your device. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Use Windows Hello when filling passwords. This setting is what forces Chrome to use Windows Hello verification, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition before filling or revealing saved passwords. If you want easier access to your passwords in Chrome, this is the setting you need to change. To disable it, simply turn the toggle off. Once the toggle is off, Chrome will stop using Windows Hello for password filling on that Windows computer. That means you should now have a smoother experience when accessing saved passwords in Chrome without being prompted for Windows Hello each time. If you ever want to turn this feature back on later, you can follow the exact same steps and switch the toggle back on. So if you're managing your own device and prefer convenience over biometric security prompts, this gives you full control over the setting. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Windows Hello for saved passwords in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome or Windows tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.